my name is Faye and today I'm going to show you how to create a travel capsule wardrobe that really only fits in one carry-on backpack. Now, as a photographer and someone who loves to travel, I have learned the hard way that clothes actually weigh more than you think. They take up the most amount of space, they're heavy, and honestly, we don't need half of what we pack. So what is a capsule wardrobe? It is basically a mini wardrobe where every piece works with everything else. So it saves you from overpacking and also from overbuying. You can choose a backpack between 24 liters and 40 liters, but make sure to check size restrictions first. And because it's really only one backpack, I have to be much more intentional with what actually goes in the backpack. And yes, I am using packing cubes to keep everything more concise, also help me to stay organized when it comes to socks and underwear. Now, a really important factor for your wardrobe is of course to which climate you're going. So to keep this video simple, let's take spring here in Australia as an example. So before we dive into my wardrobe, you'll see a certain color palette. It's black, white and a neutral tone color like beige. And by keeping it in such a neutral palette, this way you can mix and match pretty much endlessly. So let's go through my capsule wardrobe item by item, but I'll also tell you what things to look out for when you're creating your own. So let's start with tops. Firstly, a basic tank top. This one serves as activewear, but also as something that I can layer. It's very lightweight and also absorbs moisture. And as you can see, one basic tank top comes a long way. Next is a long sleeve. This one is made out of cotton, which is very breathable and easy to wash. And next is a lightweight button up. This one could work as a casual top or more of a classy top for a dinner. And both the long sleeve and the button up are great for layering. Then I've got two bottoms. Firstly being my camo pants. I love a good pair of camo pants, especially because of all of the pockets. Now this one is incredibly stretchy, so great for a hike or a morning jog. Then the next one I leave for you to consider, and that is a denim pair of pants. It is a fact, denim is quite heavy, it's a thick material, it might even take up the most amount of space in your bag. But you can honestly pair it with so many different items, so I still chose for it to be in my capsule wardrobe. Now, will we consider a skirt as a bottom? Maybe so. Okay, then I've got three bottoms. This skirt is made out of very breathable material. It's incredibly stretchy and once again could serve as activewear or for a night out. Now I've got one single dress for evenings or if I want to feel a bit more put together. I could wear the dress by itself or even layer it with a long sleeve or with a knitwear. Now let's talk layers. And in my capsule wardrobe, I've got 3 layers. And when it comes to spring, layering is key because the mornings can be cold, but the afternoons can be warm. First one being a nice piece of knitwear. This one is made out of alpaca wool, incredibly warm. Next up being a compressible jacket. I was waiting for this moment to come. I've got the most perfect jacket. This jacket is from Patagonia and it folds up as small as the pockets of my hands. Now I've got 2 other examples. The first one being a vest made out of fleece material. So for these late, colder nights, this one is perfect. So if I have a bit of space left, I go for this vest. But if I want something that's a bit more compressible, I would go for this one. It is very lightweight, super breathable and still very warm too. And as you can see, both of these have a lot of pockets because at the end of the day, yes, I love my handbags, but it's not ideal for traveling. So for me, it's a must because I have to have a place where I can store my phone for easy access and maybe a lipstick for on the go. So all of these items are lightweight and packable fabrics, so no heavy hoodies. Now my next suggestion is optional and that is a rain suit. I personally love to take photos in the rain, especially here in Melbourne. It is rainy all the time, so a rain suit for me cannot miss. Now let's talk shoes and I've got 2 pairs. First one being, and this might come as a surprise, is a pair of loafers. I am actually wearing them as we speak. For me, loafers are a go-to. They look very dressy, but also still very casual, and they're honestly incredibly comfortable. This might not be your first choice, but it is mine. Now, if I'm not really feeling the loafers and I do decide to go for a pair of sneakers just before I head out, I would go for a white pair of sneakers. And even All-Stars, for example, are very small and they easily fit in your backpack. Then my next pair of shoes is a pair of sandals. So that is everything that's in my capsule wardrobe, but let me show you how it actually works. just to sum it all up for you, because it's a lot of information, look for lightweight fabrics like cotton, linen, or technical fabrics like activewear that breathe and don't weigh much. Next, look for neutral colors so everything works together. Third one being layering. This one is crucial. So instead of bringing one heavy jumper, choose for multiple light layers. And last one being pack quality items. And I know sometimes it is a bit more expensive, but it feels better, it packs better, they're much more lightweight and also absorb moisture much more. And that is everything that I'm packing in my travel capsule wardrobe, and all fits in one carry-on backpack. So I hope this helped you think a little bit differently about your own wardrobe and what you're packing for your next travels. And also I would love to know if you have any tips, then leave them down in the comments below and we can help each other out. And I want to thank you for watching this video, and hopefully we will see you at a next one. Bye!